Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you love colorful, long-lasting eye looks, you need to see this. Today, I'm reviewing and swatching the UCANBE Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette, a 40-color professional palette that's taking Amazon by storm. It has over 13,000 reviews and a 4.6-star rating. And the best part? It's only $7.99 right now. Let's see if this affordable palette can really deliver high-end results. UCANBE 40-color eyeshadow palette has all the colors you like, featuring 18 matte and 22 shimmer shades to create unique and beautiful eye makeup looks. From natural-looking makeup to smoky eyes looks in one swipe. People don't know how pigmented the Spotlight palette is until you get it. From intensely pigmented matte to rainbow metallics eyeshadow, duochrome. Your eyes can be illuminated, defined, and emboldened according to each occasion and one's mood. Spotlight Makeup Palette works for everyone, everywhere. Formulated with the long wear and crease-resistant technology, it offers makeup lovers a complete day-to-night eye color wardrobe. Your eyes stay vibrant and fresh throughout 24 hours. Whether applying a single color or the mixing of multiple shades, the possibilities are endless. Each shade can be worn dry or wet. Want to know what wonderful things will happen to them in your hands? You'll have to get one to use your creativity. Great idea for a Christmas and other festival gift to lover, family, and friends, or a surprise for yourself. Experience the excitement of receiving an eyeshadow palette in an oversized pan. Don't be afraid to give it a try. So, if you're ready to light up your eyes and turn heads, grab your UCANBE Spotlight palette today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more makeup reviews and tutorials. See you next time.